why in the world am I flying in a conference room off a television? Because I can. Because the Evolve 2 has an HDMI output that allows me to connect to any display or monitor and fly from anywhere I want to.
Most of you will not be connecting to a TV in a conference room. You're going to be connected to your favorite external monitor. It can be any external monitor that has a HDMI input. And you'll be out on set where other team members are going to need to see the shots you're piloting. Or you'll be out in the field where it could be advantageous to have the extra screen real estate that an external monitor provides you compared to the already impressive 8-inch touchscreen with 1000-nit display that comes on the ground station.
Not all of you will need the HDMI feature. Our travel filmmakers or documentary filmmakers that need to travel light will probably continue to use the ground station screens as they are plenty sufficient. But our commercial filmmakers that use the Evolve 2 who may have onlookers as they fly their scenes, like directors or producers, will probably enjoy having the ability to connect to a larger external screen so they don't have a bunch of people looking over their shoulders as they fly with the ground station.
Now on Evolve 2, once you are connected to an external monitor with the HDMI output, the top 8-inch touchscreen disables. However, you can still access and activate all camera settings through button shortcuts on the Evolve 2. So of course, you can still activate autofocus by half pressing the shutter button, and all your camera settings, including resolution, changing from a SD to CPAS card, shutter, aperture, ISO, white balance, those can all still be changed. So if you hold B2 on the ground station, a blue box comes up over the camera settings, and with your right wheel, you can scroll through which camera settings you want to activate, click into them, change them, and back right out without having to take your hands off the sticks.
The designers and engineers at XDynamics have worked hard to include all the features a working drone pilot would need, and along with 4K 120, ProRes 422, and 30-minute flight times, the HDMI output was a necessity to have with the Evolve 2. So even if using an HDMI to an external monitor isn't a part of your production workflow, I say give it a try when you get the Evolve 2 in your hands. I actually really found myself enjoying flying with the external monitor. And that's it for me, guys. It's been a pleasure. It's Levi with XDynamics, and I'll see you guys next time.